Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at a pair of confusing words, and they are C-O-N-T-E-N-T, content, content. It's a noun. C-O-N-T-E-X-T, context, context. They sound a lot alike. I know, there's only really one letter difference. Content versus context. Let's take a look. Content is the actual words or information written or spoken. I create a lot of content for my channel. Okay, got it. Now, context is the circumstances or situations surrounding the words within a format that can affect its meaning. For example, we often use context clues when we are trying to learn new words. We use the words around them because they're in context within the content. And we use the context clues to find meanings for different words. Context, remember, the circumstances or situations surrounding words within a format that can affect its meaning. Okay, now content is what we create in words, videos, information, written, spoken, content. Context, within that content, within the written word, within the context. I know, it's kind of confusing, isn't it? Content is what is created. Context is the circumstances within that creation. Oh, okay, is that a little better? I hope. Let's review. Content, context. Oftentimes, one's content can be taken out of context. Oh, there's not the whole picture. So when people take a content and take it without putting the whole thing together, they are taking it out of context. Got it. Okay. Content can also have a different pronunciation, but for this video, we're not doing that. Okay, let's review. Content and context. Why does English have two words that are oh so close in pronunciation and kind of close in meaning, but slightly different and used different ways? I don't know, but now you can read and pronounce and understand this sentence, I hope. Politicians often use content out of context for their own purposes. What? Come on, English. Want to do it again? Politicians often use content out of context for their own purposes. Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with content or context? Or have you ever had your words taken out of context? Or have you ever had your content used out of context? What? Come on, English. Have a great day, friends. Peace.